Have you ever questioned the very fabric of reality? What if I told you that everything you see, feel, touch, taste, even smell, might not be real in the way you think it is? That we could all be characters in an advanced computer simulation like a video game, but way more intricate. It might sound like something straight out of the Matrix, but hear me out. The idea that our universe is a simulation, a concept known as simulation theory, has been bouncing around in scientific and philosophical circles for decades. Now, I'm not saying I have definitive proof, but strap in as we explore 10 tantalizing clues that just might make you question everything you thought you knew about reality. We've all experienced that eerie feeling, haven't we? That perplexing sense of been there, done that when you know you haven't. Could this be a system error, a hiccup in the simulation? Some theorists speculate that déjà vu might be a brief desynchronization in our simulated perception, a momentary lag between the simulated reality and our conscious experience. It's as if the program needs a minute to reload, and we're left with this bizarre feeling of familiarity. Remember the clunky graphics of early video games? Now look at the hyper-realistic virtual worlds being created today. What if our technological advancements in virtual reality aren't just innovations, but rather a subconscious rediscovery of the very technology that underpins our existence? A case of simulated beings creating simulations within a simulation? The concept of parallel universes, multiple realities coexisting alongside our own, has captivated physicists and philosophers for centuries. Could these parallel universes be nothing more than separate simulations running concurrently? Each one a unique experiment, a different iteration of the cosmic code? It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? The Fermi paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the vastness of the universe and the absence of any observable extraterrestrial civilizations. Could the answer to this cosmic riddle lie in the fact that we're alone, not in the universe, but in this simulation? Perhaps we haven't encountered any other civilizations because they simply don't exist within our simulated bubble. From the intricate spirals of galaxies to the delicate symmetry of a snowflake, our universe is filled with breathtaking mathematical patterns. Is it possible that these patterns are not merely inherent to nature, but rather evidence of an underlying code, the programming language of our simulated reality? Just like a computer program uses mathematical algorithms, could our universe be governed by similar principles? What if consciousness, rather than being tethered to a physical body, is an emergent property of information processing? As we make strides in artificial intelligence, could we one day create artificial consciousness within a simulated environment? And if so, what does that say about the nature of our own consciousness? Let's dive into the strange realm of the Mandela effect, a phenomenon where a large group of people share a false memory. Could these collective false memories be glitches in the Matrix? Perhaps evidence of alterations made to the simulation, updates or patches that rewrite the past. It's both fascinating and a tad unsettling, isn't it? Imagine a future civilization so technologically advanced that they can create incredibly detailed simulations of their ancestors. What if we are those simulated ancestors, living out our lives in their grand experiment? It's a mind-bending concept that raises profound questions about our place in the grand scheme of things. The realm of quantum mechanics is notoriously weird. Could these quantum quirks be evidence that our reality is not as fixed and objective as we perceive it to be? Perhaps the very fabric of our universe is built upon probabilities and uncertainties, just like a sophisticated simulation. If we are indeed living in a simulation, it begs the question, who created it and why? Are we living in a cosmic computer program designed by a super-intelligent alien species? Or perhaps we were created by a future version of ourselves, seeking to understand our past? The possibilities are endless, and the answers, for now, remain elusive. So, there you have it, 10 compelling reasons why we might be living in a simulation. From déjà vu to quantum mechanics, the evidence, while not conclusive, is certainly thought-provoking. What do you think? Leave your thoughts and theories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of the universe and beyond.